Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how to create a modern house in Blender 5.0. So yeah, let's get started. So let me check one thing. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I'll just first we have this cube, so we'll just delete it. I'll just move this a little bit. I'll just expand this as well. I'll just select this cube, press X to delete. I'll just select light, press X to delete as well. Then we just need to add a plane, so add mesh plane. Let's go to edit mode over here. We need to scale it out, so I'll just scale it out, press S to scale it out. So yeah, somewhat around here. Then press E to extrude. Now it is already in the Z direction, so I am not pressing Z, so I'm just pressing E and extruding it out like this. Then just press A, Shift N to recalculate normals. Let's go to object mode, add mesh plane, then go to edit mode again, and we need to again press S to scale it out. So we'll just scale it out around this much. This much looks fine, so yeah, around this much. Then let's go to object mode again, just press G Shift Z. Okay, so maybe place it around somewhat like this. Then let's go to edit mode again, then press E again. It is in the Z direction for me, so I'll just around 3.16. yeah, looks fine. Let's go to object mode again, add mesh plane. Let's go to edit mode. We'll again scale it, press S, so maybe around 3.6. Then let's go to object mode again, click on the Z axis, and here we'll just press G Shift Z again and move it somewhat like this. Yeah, looks okay. Then let's go to edit mode again, then just press SY to scale it inside a little bit. Alright, then press E and we'll again scale it in the Z direction, extrude it in the Z direction, sorry. So around maybe 5.8 looks fine. Then let's go to face mode, select the top face, press Shift D to duplicate, then press P selection. Then we'll just go to object mode, just select the new object. Let's go to edit mode over here, and here we just press press A to select all, press E and extrude it in the Z direction around, I don't know, 0.67 almost. Okay, then again we'll just select this particular part, so this and this. Then let's press, in macOS I'm pressing Option, but you'll have to press Alt, I guess, on Windows. So every time I say Option, just press Alt. So I'll just press Option S and press S again, so that it is perpendicular, and I'll just extrude it out around 0.16 looks fine. So yeah, something like this. Then again select the top face, press I to insert, then press E to extrude it down like this. Then let's just go to object mode, then we'll just select plane 001. We'll go to edit mode again, and again we'll just select the top face, Shift D to duplicate, P selection, select the new object in edit mode, so this plane 004. Let's go to edit mode, Then let's just press A to select all, press E to extrude it around 0.53, somewhat like this. Then we just need to select this particular part, press GX to move it around almost something like 1.5, I guess. Yeah. Then let's just select this part, then press GY, and this should be almost minus 1.2. yeah, looks okay. Let's select this part, and we need to extrude it out first, so almost around 0.5. Then let's just go to snap target, this one, and here we'll just select vertex, and we'll just select, okay, I'll just move this. We'll just select this particular part, select this, and we need to extrude it down by pressing E, extrude it down a bit. Then we just press GZ and press command or control. Okay, I'm not able. GZ, okay, GZ, anyways, just extrude it like this. Okay, somewhat like this, GZ to move it down. Then we'll just select this particular part, shift select this particular part, and we'll just move it a little bit by pressing GZ again, just like this. Then let's just add 3 loop cuts. So I'll just come over here, I'll add a loop cut over here, and I'll add a loop cut over here, and I'll add one over here as well, so somewhat like this. Then let's get rid of loop cut, and I'll just go to face mode. I'll just select this particular face and press E to extrude it down, somewhat like this. Then we'll just select all the what we'll do is go to object mode, just select all the planes which we have apart from the original plane. Just select all of this, and we'll just scale it down by pressing S to scale it down. Okay, and a little bit more, and press G to center it. So I'll just press G, center it somewhat like this. Then press command A to apply the scale. Then we'll just select plane 002 and plane 003. Alright, then we'll just go to edit mode. We'll enable X-ray as well, and we'll come over here somewhat like this, and minus Y. So we'll just select this particular part. Alright, then just press G and Z to move it up like this, and disable X-ray. Then let's just add a cursor. Let's select our cursor. I'll add a cursor over here. Okay, I'll just zoom in a little bit. Then let's just go to object mode, and here I'll just add mesh plane. Okay, not cube, I'll just do command Z, add mesh plane. Then let's just go to edit mode, press RX90, and we'll need to scale it down, S and Z to scale it down like this or like this. Okay, and let me just zoom in a little bit. I'll just select the move tool, and I'll just move it somewhat over here. Yeah, somewhat like this. Then let's just go to object mode again, and we'll just do shift D to duplicate. We'll go to edit mode, press E, extrude it out somewhat like this. Then press A, shift N to recalculate normals, and we'll just push it inside like this. Then let's just go to object mode. We'll select the object properties. Alright, and we'll just select visibility over here. We'll uncheck renders, like disable the renders parts, and in viewport display we'll just select display as bounds. Then we'll select plane 002. We'll go to modifiers. We'll add a boolean modifier over here. Then we'll just select plane 006, and in okay, sorry, let's just go back, which is plane 002. Alright, and here we need to select plane 006. Alright, then we'll just select plane 006, and then make sure you command select plane 005, and just do command P, parent to object. Alright, then we'll just select this particular part, and just do GY, move it inside like this. Then we'll just go to edit mode. We'll just make sure you press A to select the same thing, press I to insert, press P selection, then A to select all, then press E to extrude it out like this. Then again let's go to object mode. We'll just select this. Let's go to edit mode again, and I'll just press A. Let's bring it in front just a tiny bit. Yeah, that's it. Then let's go to object mode again, and we'll just select this particular part. We'll go to edit mode again, and what we'll do is we'll just select this particular side, so this side which you see, and we'll just duplicate by pressing shift D, and we'll just move it over here somewhere in the middle, press E to extrude and move it like this. So this kind of looks like a proper window. Then let's just go to object mode again. We'll just select plane 003, and we'll add a bevel modifier over here. Then let's go to geometry, meter outer arc, then go to shading, enable harden normals, and then go to amount 0.025. then here we'll go to enable the segments. Alright, then just right click, shade smooth, then just select plane 101, then select shift like control select 02 as well, then select 04, and lastly select 03, and then you can just do copy to selected. Then let's select plane 006, think we might have made some mistake, I guess. Okay, I think in the window side I might have made some mistake. Should we do, think we have done this. Definitely some mistake which I did, because here it should not have been two planes. Let me just delete this, press X, okay, sorry, command Z, and here I'm getting plane 006. This is weird. I'll just delete this, and I'll just delete this as well. Sorry about this. Let's just go from the very start. Okay, let's just go to object mode. Here we have our cursor. We'll just do add mesh plane. Let's go to edit mode, then just do RX90, and then just do SZ to scale it down like this, and here I'll just move it like this. Okay, let's go to object mode, shift D to duplicate, then go to edit mode. Has it? Okay, let's go to edit mode. We need to press E to extrude it out like this. Press A, press shift N, then we'll just push it inside like this. Then let's just go to object mode again, and here I'll just select the object data properties. I'll scroll down. For visibility, I'll just uncheck renders, and here inside viewport display I'll go as display as bounds. Then we just need to select plane 02. We need to add a boolean modifier. Okay, and here we select plane 006. Then select plane 006, as well as commands select plane 005. We'll just do command P, parent to object. Okay, then we'll just select this particular part, this part, and just press GY to move it inside like this. Yeah, then let's go to edit mode. We'll just select the same thing, press A, then press I to insert. Okay, I'm missing out something. Something seems to be going wrong for me. I'm not sure, so let's just select this. Okay, let's move it inside. Yeah, this looks fine. Then let's just go to object mode. Sorry, I just did command Z again. Let's go to object properties. We'll select visibility, and here I have disabled the renders, and inside viewport display as bounds. Then we'll just select plane 002. We'll add a boolean modifier, which we have done, and here we'll select plane 006. Then we'll select plane 006 as well as 005. Then just press command P, parent to object. We just need to select. Don't get it why I'm facing this. Just let me just move it like this. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly or not. Just move it over here. Okay, yeah, looks okay to me. Then let's just go to edit mode, press I to insert. Okay, I'm not able to insert, I don't know why. Okay, let's just go to object mode again. I'll just select this, press X, select this, press X, select plane. Okay, I'm doing it from the very start again. Sorry about this. Something seems to be going off. It's not according to my notes, that's why I'm doing it. Just go to add mesh plane. Okay, let's go to edit mode, press RX90, then S and Z to scale it down, and here I can move it like this. Then go to object mode, shift D to duplicate, go to edit mode again and press E to extrude it out like this. press A, press shift N, then push it inside. Pushed it inside. Then let's just go to object mode, select object properties, let's go to visibility, we'll uncheck renders, we'll go to display as bounds. Then here we'll go to select plane 002. We already have added a boolean modifier to it, if you see over here, and here we'll just select plane 006 in object. Okay, then we'll just select plane 006 and plane 005. Then just do command P, parent to object, and then we'll just select this particular part. Alright, and GY to move it inside like this. Then let's just go to edit mode. Then we'll just select the same thing and we'll just press I to insert. Okay, why is it not inserting? I am not really able to understand this. Trying to insert. Do I need to press? Okay, I had to press I twice. Very frustrating. Okay, let's see. So I have selected this, I to insert, then press P, selection, then A to select all, and we'll just extrude it out like this. Then let's just go to object mode, and we'll just select this. We'll go to edit mode, we'll just press A to select that. Just bring it little bit in front, then go to object mode again, and we'll just select this particular part, this one. We'll go to edit mode. Alright, we'll just select this side, we'll use shift D to duplicate, we'll move it over here, press E to extrude it out like this, about like this. Then let's go to object mode, select our plane 003. Let's add, we already have a bevel modifier to it, so we have already done geometry, meter, outer arc, shading, we have enabled harden normals, amount 00 segments is 2. Then we have already clicked on right click, shade smooth as well. Again, I'll just do it. Then we just need to select plane 01, select plane 02, 04, sorry, 01, 02, 04, and finally 03, and we just do copy to selected. Then select plane 06. Yeah, now things seems to be working. Just give me a second to drink water. Okay, then select plane 006, and you can just right click, select hierarchy, then press option D and press X to move it along X axis, somewhat like this. Then select plane 002, and we'll just duplicate this boolean. Scroll down, I'll just remove this, and here we'll select plane 009. Then we'll just select plane 009, right click, select hierarchy, then we just go to object mode, and here we'll just select face project. Then I'll just select this, then let's just press shift D to duplicate, and we'll place it over here, okay, on this wall. Then just do RZ90, then let's move it to bring it in front, Let's see how it looks. Still not proper. I'll just move it a little bit more. Yeah, this looks okay. Alright, let's select our house again. Let's duplicate this boolean again, and here we'll just select plane 012. So here you can see I'm not able to see plane 012 over here. I don't know, this seems like a bug with Blender, so I just have to select this and I'll just go to plane 012. So select it like this. Then let's just select plane 012, right click, select hierarchy, go to edit mode. Let's enable X-ray, and here you just have to select vertex, and I'll just select this particular part, and I'll just move it like this. Then I'll just select this particular part, I'll move it like this. Then I'll just select this, press L, press X, delete vertices. Alright, then we'll just go to object mode again, and again right click, select hierarchy. Then we'll just duplicate it by pressing option D and place it below. So I can just press, I think, Z, yeah, to place it like this. Okay, I'll just move it like this. And then again we'll just go select disable X-ray, select our house, scroll down, and here I'll just right click, duplicate, and here I'll just select this particular thing, plane 015. Then let's just go to object mode, select plane 015, right click, select hierarchy, then just do shift D and move it over here. Then just do RZ -90 and I'll move it over here like this. Then let's just again select our house, again duplicate the boolean, just duplicate it, and here I'll just remove this, I'll select this, and here I'll just select plane 018. Then we'll just select plane 018, right click, select hierarchy, and we'll just place it around over here. Then let's just go to edit mode, go to X-ray. Alright, then I'll just select this particular part and I'll move it down like this. Then let's just go to object mode again, we'll disable the X-ray, and we'll just command select plane 002 as well, and here we'll just do copy to selected for bevel modifier. So here something like this. Then select plane 001, let's go to edit mode again, then we'll just select X-ray and we'll edge select, do edge select, then press A. Okay, not this one, sorry, don't press A, just select this particular part, then shift S, cursor to selected. Then let's just go to object mode again, disable the X-ray, then add mesh plane, let's go to edit mode, then just click on RX 90, then press GZ1. Okay, I'm not sure if it is, yeah, somewhat like this. Then press SX to scale it outside. Then let's just select the top vertex and press GZ to move it up. Then let's go to object mode. Shift D to duplicate. Go to edit mode. Press A. Then press E to extrude it out like this. Press A, press Shift N, then move it inside by pressing GY. Yeah, somewhat like this, just a little bit. Then enable X-ray again. We'll just select the bottom face. And you can just move it down a little bit by pressing GZ, just a tiny bit. Then let's go to object mode again, and I will again disable X-ray. We'll select plane 001. We'll add a boolean modifier. And here we'll just select plane 0 to 1 in object. Then select plane 0 to 1 again. Let's go to object data properties. Scroll down, go to visibility, uncheck renders, and in viewport display as bounds. Then select plane 0 to 0 and move it inside like this. Let's go to edit mode again, then add a loop cut. We'll add a loop cut around here. We'll change the value to around 10. Then press V, click on your mouse, press A, press E to extrude it out. Extrude it out just a tiny bit, somewhat like this. Then go to object mode, then command select plane 004. Then here you need to go to modifiers and just do copy to selected for bevel modifier. Then let's just put our cursor in front of our door, somewhere over here. Then let's just add a plane, add mesh plane. Let's go to edit mode. We'll just scale it down, press S, yeah, somewhat like this. Okay, I'll just select this as well. I'll just move it to the side a little bit and to the front a little bit more. Yeah, press S again, scale it like this. Then extrude it up. Go to object mode, press option D, press Y, and you just need to press shift R to duplicate it like this. Now here I have made some mistake. If you select, I'll just select this one, select our door. Open this. It is not attached to our house, right? So I'll just select this. Maybe I'll just go to edit mode, press A, and I'll move it over. Okay, it has not selected the entire thing, I don't know why. So maybe right click, select hierarchy, go to edit mode, press A, and then move it somewhere over here. And now I'll just go to object mode again. I'll just select this and this, Let's go to edit mode again. Okay, press A, and they are not on the floor, so just somewhat like this. Let's go to object mode again. Let's select the original plane, and here we'll add a cursor at the corner. So I'll just select this cursor, I'll add it at the corner over here. Then add mesh plane, go to edit mode, scale it down, press S, scale it down very tiny bit, somewhat like this. Then vertex select, okay, we'll just select this first two. Okay, just select this part, just select this GY. Then let's just add a loop cut at the center, and let's make the number of cuts to 2. Then what we'll do is just select this, press S to scale it in. Then we'll just select this, scale it. I can select this again, I'll just scale it in even further. Select this, scale it in. I'll just select this as well. Scale it in like this. Alright, click on the X minus X axis, enable X-ray, and what we'll do is we'll just select this particular part and we'll move it down. Then we'll just select this, move it down, just remove this, select this, I'll just select this part and I'll move it down like somewhat like this. So here you can see, you will see something like this. Then press E to select all, and we'll just move it at the very bottom, and we'll just name it as blade. Then let's just go to object mode, we'll disable X-ray, and we'll just select our original plane. Let's go to edit mode, we'll select the top face, just press GZ to move it down. Somewhat like this. Then shift D to duplicate, P selection. Let's select the new object. Let's go to edit mode. Then let's change the snap target to vertex. Then A to select all. Then E to extrude it up. Okay. Then let's just add a loop cut. And let's just change the number of segments to 20. If I added it vertically, I'll same add it horizontally as well, and I'll just change the value to 20. Then let's just come over here, vertex select. I'll just select this vertex. And here I'll just do command shift select, so it will select the entire. Okay, I think I should have selected from this point. So this point, command shift, I'll select till here, so something like this. Okay, then go to data properties, and here just click on the plus button, click on assign. Let's go to object mode. Then here we'll just select particle properties, and here click on this plus. Then let's just do frame start is 0, frame end is frame end is 0 as well, and lifetime is equal to 250. Then go to physics, type none. Then select vertex group. Where is vertex group? Yeah, here inside density you need to select this group. Then go to render as object, and we'll just change the scale to around 0.39. randomness maybe around scale randomness 0.7, and here we'll just select instance object as blade. So here you see all this thing. Then check the rotation. Where is check rotation? And here inside phase we'll just add as 0.428. Then we on randomize phase we can enter the value as 0.408, and inside randomize we can enter the value 0.115. Then let's go to emission, and here you can change the number to maybe 7000. Then let's go to weight paint over here, sorry, not edit mode, go to weight paint, and we want to remove the grass in front of the steps. So firstly you can make the weight as 0, and let's just paint over here. Just take your mouse and paint like this in front of your door steps, so that it will remove as much as it can. Again, it's not 100% perfect, but yeah, here you can see I'm not able to remove which is present on the, so yeah, this looks okay to me. Then let's go to object mode, select plane 004. Let's go to edit mode. Okay, select this particular, so face mode, select this, shift D, P selection. Then let's just select the new object in edit mode again. So just scroll down, this is the new object, go to edit mode, then go to particle settings, click plus, here select the original particle settings. Okay, then add a 12 loop cuts horizontally and vertically. Okay, sorry, let me quickly save it, I don't want Blender to crash on me. Okay, then let's just select let's get rid of our loop cut by pressing this. Then go to vertex mode, select this vertex, then shift select this vertex as well. Then go to data properties, click on plus, click on assign, then go to particles again, go to vertex group, and here I'll just select group, and you can just go to modifiers and you can just remove this bevel modifier. If you go to object mode, you should see this grass as well. Okay, it's bit off, unfortunately, sorry about it. It's because I feel like I should have placed the grass a little bit more properly on
while creating it. So here you can see it's bit off, it is going outside our this as well, but yeah, it is what it is. Maybe you can do a better job than me. Alright, then we'll just select our original plane and command select plane 003 and do copy to selected for bevel modifier. Then shift S, cursor to world origin. Then let's just add mesh plane. Okay, I'll just scale it out. Then just press G and Z to move it down like this. Then let's just add light sun and we'll just move it up. We'll just select this. We'll just rotate. We'll go to render settings, we'll go to cycles, and here we'll just select GPU compute. Then we'll just enable denoise. We'll go to render, and here max samples I'll just make it as 512. Then we'll just select all of this. So I'll just, so you need to select this, not this, the window part. So this, okay, select this, select this over here, select this over here. I mean shift selecting it, select this as well. Then let's go to object properties, then let's go to visibility, and here you just need to press option, make sure alt, and make sure you uncheck all of this. Okay, then just select your sun, select data, maybe you can change the strength to 3. Then go to add light, area light, I'll move it up, press S to scale it out, then change shape to disk, then change pivot point to 3D cursor, then just rotate it using RX a little and change the power to 1500. Then select plane 027. Let's select one material, so I'll just select this, I'll add a material, I'll increase the roughness, and here I'll just select, I'll just go to this so that you can select, see the color as well, and I'll move, bring it down. Okay, then what you need to do, let's just add some colors to this. So I'll just select this, I'll click on new, I'll maybe make it a bit of black, and I'll use the same color for this as well, same material, sorry, this, and I'll just select our windows. Okay, this, I'll just select this, material 02. Okay, not this one, sorry, command Z, not able to select it. Okay, so this one, yeah, material 02. I'll just do the same for this, material 02. Then here we'll select this middle part, we'll add new, and you will change over here to emission, and here we'll just select a yellow color, and you can increase the strength like this. Same I'll select over here, change it to emission. And for the door, I can select this, maybe I'll just make it a little bit more metallic, somewhat like this, and I'll just change the color Okay, then I can just select this, our house, and give it some light color. Like this. I'll just select this one and I'll use the same color. Then you, for the grass, just select the blade. Do not select it from over here, it won't select, it won't allow you to select. Just click on new, and here I'll just make it as green. Okay, so I think that should be it. Again, like I said, unfortunately this grass is coming out of over here. Yeah, sorry about that, but I think that should be it. Again, this some grass is coming outside of this as well, but anyways, hopefully you got the point. So to export it, now you can just go to file, export, gltf, date, go to data, mesh, click on apply modifiers, and inside include you have to select this renderable objects, otherwise your windows will not come properly. So I'll just click on export. Alright, then let's come over here to this particular website. Just come over here, I'll just drag and drop it over here. So yeah, as you can see, this is little bit of outside, which I don't really like, but unfortunately it is what it is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.